Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Victoria. So recently I went to the Express Factory outlet in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina to check out their business casual pieces for the spring. This first dress, it felt great on and was very good quality fabric. I also adored the lilac color. With some shapewear, this could be a great transitional piece for the spring. As you can see, it has some great movement to it. The next dress is a striking shade of pink lace. It was an off-the-shoulder style with elastic in the neckline to help keep it up. It also has some tasteful cutouts in the size. This was an extra large, but it gapped a little in the top, so I decided not to get it. I did like that it was fully lined and it felt very comfortable on. This next dress is a navy one in a size 12, I believe. It was very well made and a classic style that could last for many years. Unfortunately, it was too small for me. This outfit I felt about, nothing special nor flattering about it. The jeans just didn't fit in the right places on me and would be too snug in the waist if I got a size smaller, so I didn't even bother. Um, Usually I like Express jeans, but these just did not do it for me. It may also be because I haven't tried on any Express jeans in a while. This outfit was cute on the hanger, but I felt like it looked kind of bulky on me. The sleeves were long in the jacket, and they didn't have a petite available in this. The proportions seemed off in the linen set. I did end up buying that polka dot top only to have it stolen from me 10 minutes later. I have terrible luck. But looking at the footage, that may have been a blessing. It looks like a maternity top, to be honest. So, these pink shorts, I almost liked them, but ultimately I passed on them. They weren't the most flattering. They were comfortable, though, I'll give them that. And this top is the same one I had on with the jeans. This last outfit, it looks okay until you unbutton the jacket. The bodysuit is not cute. They only had it in an extra large and it was too loose, as well as the skirt. So overall, they had great selections at good prices, but many of the prices were the same as the specials in their regular storefronts and on their website. Still a great place for professionals to get trendy, classy clothes.